All right, people, today we are building a carrier for the doors on a Jeep Wrangler. I was going to buy an EZTrunk, which is really cool, but cheapest you can get it is $360, I think. And that's on Amazon. And you can also buy other door carriers on Amazon that are squares that have all the doors, but I really like the compact size of the EZTrunk, where the doors are parallel to each other. And I got stuff all over my walls, so I can't hang them from the walls, but hopefully what I'll be able to do is just roll it right over there under those hangers, which is right now holding the soft top. So I have some measurements. I'm going to go ahead and dry fit everything, and then after I build it, I'll give you what it actually ends up being. Okay, here we go with our dry fit. Looking pretty good. Now the two sides are not equal. This side's for the front doors, this is for the back. And we have about a foot in between, so I'll just dry fit. All right, here we are, finished up with the foam. It is 80 inches from center to center on the pipes, so probably 82 inches long, and then 24 inches on the center, so maybe 26 inches or less. I think I'd also probably get one more strip of foam here. I'll have that in the counts so you can have the right. That's just what I had left over, these two small pieces on the center. Let's take a door off and pop them in. Now, a side note, when you're putting on your doors, you may want to just have a piece of cardboard lying around where you can put that underneath there. And that way, when you go to put your ratchet in, I'm trying to do this with one hand here, your ratchet doesn't touch the car. And so when you're sitting there screwing it back and forth, and this will go for off, I guess, too. Whenever you're removing these nuts down at the bottom, just put a piece of cardboard there, and that way you don't have to worry about scratching up on the sides. Okay, here we are with a pair of doors, front and back. Now the back can only go on one side and the front goes on the other, based on the width. I don't have this glued in yet. I'm somewhat considering shortening the length because we have, maybe 4 inches on this side, 3 inches on this side, and the width seems okay. It could probably be an inch shorter. I think we'll just let it ride for now. I'm just not going to glue it. We'll wait. You notice I do have the shorter bars on the back door, the rear door side, and that's so that the very short flat part of the door can hit two of those. And on the front door, they're further apart so they can hit at least two. So, and then this, we can just slide over there under the soft top. Furniture dolly to roll it around. This is a 30 by 18 that I got over at Harbor Freight, and you can see those pads will line up there and you can secure it down. And you would just put it one under the center of each door, so center it up on this middle bar and then center it up on this middle bar to take all the weight. Got another furniture dolly in the basement. Now you can see if you have two of them right underneath the doors, you should be in good shape. And on either side it has a few inches, so you could use a screw through the PVC to hold it down, or you get a metal strap or something, and you can just wheel it around. So you can wheel it out to get your doors off, and then wheel it back to wherever your storage is. Okay, so here you have your cut sheet. I've color coded the 90-degree elbow, a T connector, and then a cross connector. And then you have the parts on the left, and then all the cut links. The first number is the quantity, the second number is the size. So if you go through this, you can rebuild exactly what I have. If you want to make it a little bit shorter for the doors or a little bit thinner for the width, you can do so. Let me know what you think, and I hope you have a great week.